Also wanted to show you a slight modification I made to my grinder. I got this piece of plate aluminum, all mounted, shaped, and smoothed out so I'd have a bigger working surface. I think I might look for another piece that's a little bit longer on each side, but for now this is going to make for a nice even surface. So the first thing I want to do is I want to grind a little bit on the bevels of this, try and make it a more even from the edge going up. I had to grind back here a little bit to kind of even things out, which looks like I have a little bit more to do there. But I want to make a nice thin blade, try and not take away the logo very much, but I think it's going to be great. It's pretty flexible, but maybe just a little more flex to it, and we'll try and do that without destroying any of the heat treat. Well, after a little bit more filing, yeah, the file just bit way too easy into this knife. I don't know if it had been heated up and used in the dishwasher, or if it just wasn't heat treated very well. It might be a softer steel, but I know these knives are supposed to be pretty reliable. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can heat treat it, and I mean, if it warps, I'll try and get it out. We'll just see how it goes. It's an experiment. Well, it stayed straight. The vise did a great job. Came pretty clean when I wiped it. I'm going to use a wire brush and stuff. I tried the file on it, and well, it's still kind of soft. So we're just going to rack this up as a restoration project. We'll make it look really nice, and we'll just kind of keep it around and keep that in mind when we find these knives in the future. I definitely have to upgrade some of my stuff so that I can heat treat better, because as you saw, I tried to heat treat in a jar because that's the deepest thing I could find, and I have a much bigger knife coming up that I need to heat treat. So we need to rethink some things, including possibly my forge, because it's pretty shallow too, if you didn't notice. This knife was just about all it could take. So we're going to upgrade some stuff and keep working on the shop, and we'll see what other fun stuff we can do in the meantime.